Jordan, I hope you remember the name of this building, don't you?
It's an education building, right?
Education building, I think. What was that? The door like opened for a second and then...
You just got a 4?
Yeah, 4. We got Otis Series 1s. They're a little slow.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna scooch right on this side, actually. Well, this is a good break because there's a certain elevator fixture that's seen way too much on this campus. You don't want to know what it is.
Oh.
I will say, though, it is kind of dark in this one. Well, that light's out.
It's
So
just really that one.
let's see, 3,000 pounds, older Series 1. There's a phone. And there's the certificate. I think we'll take one more ride. You want to send up to 4? Well, I may as well get your overall thoughts. What do you think?
It's a nice one. It is pretty dim, but and it moves slowly, but at least it's smooth ride.
Yeah, they're actually pretty smooth. I mean, for how old this is,
You can't really tell that it's moving that much.
yeah, it's surprisingly really smooth. Well, other than that one little door glitch it had at the end.
Yeah.
So, do you really think this thing could fit 18 people?
If you really, really tried, yeah, but
I don't know if this thing could fit 18 people. Is there anything up here? Oh, there's a view. Let's just get a brief view then. A decent amount. You can see one of the dorms. I think that's Forest Quadrangle. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, this thing left us. Oh well. I wonder if the other one will come. Actually, while we're at it. Artist of this is currently unknown. Oh, we got one. Yeah, the other one came. All right, let's just go back to ground.
same thing. This one's pretty dim too.
Yeah. Still, overall, they're good elevators.
Yeah.
And there's the certificate for that one. Ooh, that certificate's about to expire.
Really? Oh yeah.
June 7th. It's May 31st, so they don't have much time left.
Got about a week.
Well, here we are at ground. And there it goes. And that's going to be it.